Quick reading for April the 15th to April the 16th, Capricorn. Your cards are the Four of Pentacles, the Fool card, and the Sun. Siguro si person meron talagang hold, no, sa pag-express ng kanyang nararamdaman. Controls are actually here. For some reason, dahil kakakontrol mo, kaka-suppress mo ng iyong emotion, meron ditong, kumbaga, napuno, no? Habang napupuno siya, pag hindi na kinakaya, di ba, sumasabog, umaapaw. So, nandito yung kakapigil niya, no, ng pag-amin, ng nararamdaman niya. All of a sudden, bigla niyang masasabi sa'yo, I love you, no, or mahal na pala kita, doon sa mga singles and no labels. Or, mahal pa rin kita, no? Pagpatuloy pa rin natin to, hindi ko kinaya nang nawala ka. So kung ano man itong, kasi the sun, positive, it gives life. Doon sa nagdidilim, namamatay na pag-ibig. So ibig sabihin nito, chances are the warmth will be felt again by you. This is your quick reading for April the 15th to April the 16th, Capricorn.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.